mittens. Just this one is only 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 4, but I did this more. I don't know how big is the baby will be to measure. I think it's a newborn baby. I use a thin thread, I use poly, and this one, yeah. So I'm using this pink thread first. Do chain first. This is not counted. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Extra 3 and 3 2 3. On the fourth, do double crochet on the same chain. Should be 7. You count this also as 7, the chain, so it's now 5 6 7. Ready? Now go to the next one. Do double crochet until you reach this corner. There, that is 9 chain, and 3 5 6 double crochets here done already. Now going here, you have to do 7 double crochets on the same chain. There. Now 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now go normal and hide this straight while you're doing double crochets on the next ones. See, I'll hide this straight and keep going till the end. We're doing the orange one. Do 2 chain and then half double crochets here on the same chain 1, and the same here, all the increase, all the 7 chain you did, 7 on the same, all increase, so it should be 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that. I'm going to change color, poke it in, and then I use this white. I'll make the knot first. Pull, then pull this in and tighten up this. Do 2 chain. I'm not cutting off the pink. You see that? I'm just weaving it into it like that, crocheting into it on the same chain. Do half double crochet. This one all increase half double crochet. 7 should be 7. This is 1 ready. You're so tight. Don't know why. Let's do again. ready? 1 2 3 4 5 and now 6, increase, and the next one also increase. Like that. Ready? Now half double crochet around. Same thing when you come to the increase part here, 7 here, also you increase. Here I did 7, look at it. Increase here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then the last one. And the next one all half double crochet until here. I didn't join yet. I'll show you later how to join it. Now we did this yellow orange one ready. Now we're going to the blue. 2 and then put 3 chain first, skip 1 and then go to the next, do half double crochet. That's kind of pattern. That's how the pattern will be. Mine is like this. See, simple one. I do this for baby like that, so it's to not, if they are babies, you know, they will sometimes scratch their own eyes and they start to cry, so that's why they make this for them. They just sometimes they pinch their own skin and they'll cry. Okay, now we're going to do the slip stitch. I'm going to use the pink one. I'm not cutting off the white. See? Yeah. And this white one, you still pull it tight a bit, so be not so tight, but will do. Then you do 1 and put this thread up, then 2 crocheting it together, then don't crochet anymore with the white one, 1 chain extra, skip 1, go to the next, half double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, go to next, same, skip 1 and 1 chain, skip 1, go to next, all around. Now I'm going to go for the next one here. See, I have to do slip chain, but I didn't show. Slip chain there and then go 3 chain and go to the chain part, chain, half double crochet, chain, half double crochet, chain, like that, green. I didn't go more than that because it's all the same design. Now I'm going to do slip chain. Now here, slip, and I'm going to change the thread. Do a slip chain here and tighten up the pink color. Then see 3, then skip this and go for the next one, all where you can see the hole. Easy, you don't have to look at it much. Like that, go around. So you can change color how you like. So I did is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and this one is just a different what pattern. This one show you later. I went halfway through, I forgot to take a video, but I don't want to do again. So look at it. So I did a crochet, single crochet here, 3 chain at the same this one, and then do single crochet there. So 3 chain at the same, not same, different. Next one, I leave it like that one. Then the next one is single crochet and 3 chain and a single crochet on the same loop here. So it will have some frills. If you want more, then you do it all this on the whole loops here. Come to the end. It's a bit off here, but I don't mind. And so I just put a chain here and I put a slip stitch here and go to a slip stitch here like that, and do chain, single crochet, then just do 3 chain. So every loop single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet until the end. This one do 60 chain, just like that, just easy 60 chain. Then this one, you take the last part here, you weave it in and out like that. Keep going until then you can do a ribbon and then tie it up. So it's like that. That's done. You see the design a bit here, slightly different. Here got 2, here 2 white, 2 whites there, here 1 white, but not much difference, is fine. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.